Hello, Bit friends. Price here, Senior Solutions Architect at Bit, and I'm here today to introduce you to an awesome new feature that was instantly one of my favorites as a developer. It's called Cloud Workspaces. Now, with the click of a button, we can give you a fully functional IDE in the browser with just the components that you want to change in a very fast, isolated, secure environment. And it's just one click, which is awesome because this is supposed to be a short video. So let's get right into it and let me show you these new features. First of all, here's a look at our new discovery page. If you're new to a project, no problem. Components are automatically sorted into simple, easy to navigate categories, which you can control in the settings. With a quick glance, you can see all the components your team is working on. So the component that we actually want to change is up here. We're going to go up to our UI components and let's change the header. So I can click on that component and we have a preview of what we're working with here. And as you can see, we've got this new black button, and this is what makes the magic happen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and get right to work. As you can see, we have our fully functional IDE already loaded up, and we have the component that we want to make our changes to already here. Now, we are in the browser, so you might be wondering, how can we do development here? I need my dev server. Well, we have the Bit plugin already installed for us. And if I hit this play button right here, it will start the Bit dev server, just as we'd expect locally. I just click on this, and it opens the URL to our full development environment. I can go to preview, and I will have full hot module reloading and everything. I could do development just like I would locally. So I can come back here to our header, and let's say we're just going to add a link here. We're going to make it href equals, onboarding, and we want to add that to the system. We can come back here. Hot module reloading will pick that up. And in just a second here, we should get our onboarding link. And that's all we want to do here. So let's suggest these changes to our team. We can come to the branch mechanism and create a lane. We're going to create a new lane and we're going to call it onboarding link update. So we've created a lane. And now all we need to do is export it. We'll give this a message real fast. Add onboarding link. And we're going to snap that change with one click. And that gives us the option to export. So let's click that too. And we're going to get a link that will take us to Ripple CI. And we will be able to see our component being built. Now, you can also integrate with GitHub or any Git mechanism, really, as well as your own CI. And you can consult our documentation for details on how to do that. And as we can see, Ripple has built our component. So that's an example of editing an existing component. But there's so much more to Cloud Workspaces. You can load a lane into a Cloud Workspace, or even an entire scope at once. And of course, you can make something from scratch, all without ever installing anything on your local machine, all within a fast, secure, isolated environment for just the changes that you need. And there's some helpful features built in. For instance, I come down here to create a UI component. You can see that we automatically have available our organization's environments, so that our team is always on the same page. All we need to do is click Create Component and start building. We are so excited to see how this improves your ability to deliver better software faster.